Smart Life Intelligent Network Tutorial. Step 1. Download the Smart Life app. Open the App Store and search for the Smart Life app in the App Store. Click Download to open the Smart Life app. Click on WeChat to log in. Step 2. Operate the app to connect the smart lock. Click the plus in the upper right corner to allow all permissions. Wake up the smart lock. Hold down the control menu to open the location on Bluetooth. Click and add discovered device. Then smart lock is added. Slide the key to the right to unlock it. Slide the key to the left to close the lock. Step 3. Enter the fingerprint to create a user. Drop-down menu. Click Member Management. Click Administrator. Click Add and then click Start Add. Press the fingerprint continuously until it is successfully added. Click Done and click the top left corner to return. Click the plus in the upper right corner. Click Add Member. Click Improve Information. Enter your account information here and click on the top right corner to return. Step 4. Unlocking and Locking Tutorial. Under normal conditions, the lock is opened. The fingerprint is pressed twice to close the lock, and the pressed once to open the lock. When the rear handle is locked, press the fingerprint once to open the lock. When the handle is unlocked, the lock is always open. Step 5. Initialize. The rear knob is turned 6 times. The fingerprint light is on, and any fingerprint verification is restored to factory settings. Step 6. Charging indicator. If the charging light is off, the charging port is not properly plugged or faulty. A red light indicates charging, and a green light indicates full charging. Step 7. Smart Life's other settings and remove locks. Click the Smart application. Click the door lock alarm and set it according to the needs. Click Family Home and set as needed. Click Settings to turn it on or off as needed. Click Settings in the upper right corner. Device information. One-click execution. Create groups. Share devices. Click Remove device. Unbind and clear data. Set as required.